Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. E to the power of 2s, we can put like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we have e to the power of s. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for u minus 1. E to the power of s, the s we change for the u. So this one divide by this one, and number 1 divide by this one. So we have like this. And now we have the final answer. So I will put negative number 3 go on here. So negative number 3 plus 1, we have negative number 2. Similar for the second one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.